Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install Google Chrome browser on our Mac. So let's get started. First of all, we need to open Safari browser, which comes by default with Mac, and this is the icon for the Safari. So you just need to open Safari browser and then search for Google Chrome. So just search for Google Chrome and then press enter, which is going to search for Google Chrome. And in here you can see the first link is from google.com and the second link is this one, which says www.google.com/Chrome, right? So we just need to click this link, which is from google.com/Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to just click this link, and once we click this link, we are going to see in a moment the download button for the Chrome browser. Right now, the website which is opened is going to recognize that you are on Mac, and it's going to give you the appropriate download button for that. So I'm just going to click this download now button and then click accept and install, and now it's going to download the Chrome file, which we are going to execute in a moment. So you can see the download is taking place, and this file is about 63.7 MB, and the extension for this file is DMG, right? So you will be able to see that the extension is DMG, and in few seconds it's going to be downloaded. And once it's going to be downloaded, what we are going to do is we need to place this DMG file into our applications. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the download to complete. So now the DMG file is downloaded. I can see here. You can just go here at the top of the Safari browser and see that this DMG file is downloaded. And now you just need to click this .dmg file, double click it, which is going to start this kind of process. I'm going to minimize my Safari browser so we can see it in a better way. So it says opening this Google Chrome.dmg, and then it's going to show you this kind of interface, right? So it's going to show the Google Chrome icon, and it's going to show the applications folder icon, right? So what we need to do is we need to just drag this Google Chrome icon to our applications folder. So I'm going to just drag this, so drag it like this to the applications folder, and then it's going to go into the applications folder, and it's going to copy this Google Chrome.app file into your applications folder. And once it's copied, then we will be able to open Google Chrome. So now the file is copied, and now I can see in my applications folder that Google Chrome icon is there, right? So I'm going to just double click on this Google Chrome icon, which is going to start Google Chrome. Now for the first time when you start Google Chrome, Mac will give you this kind of warning, and it says Google Chrome is an application downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So we know that Google Chrome is a safe executable file or safe program, so we are going to open it. So we just need to click this option which says open, and I'm going to just minimize other options here. And for the first time, whenever Google Chrome start, it's asking you to set Google Chrome as your default browser. If you want, you can leave it as default or checked, otherwise uncheck it. And other thing is help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage. I can leave this checked because it's doing no harm to me, right? So if you want to make your Google Chrome default, you can check this option also, but for now I don't want it, so I will uncheck it, and then I'm going to just click start Google Chrome, and then it's going to start Google Chrome, and you can see Google Chrome browser has been started, and I can now browse anything here. So for example, I want to browse YouTube and search for it, and it's searching the appropriate website or results for me, right? So in this way you can download and install Google Chrome on your Mac machine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.